I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Nissan Pathfinder window. First, you'll need to diagnose the problem. Listen carefully when you press the window switch. If you hear the motor but the window doesn't move, the regulator is likely the issue. If you hear nothing, it could be the motor or a faulty switch. Also, visually inspect the window track for any debris or obstructions that might be preventing movement. Once you've identified the problem, the next step is to access the internal components. Begin by carefully removing any visible screws and trim pieces around the door handle and armrest. Disconnect the electrical connectors for the window switch and other controls. Then, using a trim removal tool, gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips that hold it in place. With the door panel removed, you'll see the window regulator and motor assembly. Unbolt the old unit, which typically involves 4 to 6 bolts. Carefully support the window glass as you detach it from the old regulator, then gently guide the glass up and secure it in the fully closed position with tape. Now, install the new regulator and motor, ensuring all mounting points align correctly. After installing the new regulator and motor, reconnect all electrical connectors. Before fully reassembling the door, perform a test to ensure the window operates smoothly up and down. Once you've confirmed proper function, carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all clips engage. Finally, replace any trim pieces and screws you removed earlier, and your Nissan Pathfinder window should be working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.